ये हुई ना बात ओ भाई. So hey, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create the OG Beyblade from Metal Beyblade series, and it's actually called Lightning L-Drago guys. After a long time I'm creating Lightning L-Drago, but this one is actually different. It's actually Lightning L-Drago Beyblade X version. Well, as you all know that guys, the OG original Lightning L-Drago from Beyblade Metal series, it actually comes with two modes. One is the Barrage mode and the second one is actually the upper mode. Mostly the upper mode is used for the attacks and the Barrage mode is mostly used for defense or attack as well. And I really thought that guys, this L-Drago Beyblade X version is actually going to come with two modes, and I really thought that Lightning L-Drago Beyblade X version is going to be the first ever Beyblade that will have modes, but no, नहीं भाई नहीं, ये L-Drago भाई थोड़ा सा different है, क्योंकि guys यहाँ पर अगर तुम अच्छी तरह से notice करोगे, if you have a good look on this Beyblade guys, you can clearly see you actually have to buy two Lightning L-Drago Beyblade X version to get the Barrage mode and also the upper mode, which is kind of weird to me. I don't know why did Takara did this. I think guys it's because for profit.
This is business.
Anyway guys, I'm not actually going to talk about that. Today we are going to create this Lightning L-Drago Beyblade, but yeah guys, I'm not going to do something like Takara Tomy. I'm going to make Lightning L-Drago Beyblade version with the Assault mode. I mean not the Assault mode, with upper mode and also with Barrage mode. You can almost say 2 in 1 Beyblade, 2 modes in 1 Beyblade. So okay my boys, let's get started. Just a second guys, let me just quickly take out the air and water from the cardboard pieces, because I mostly use ice cream boxes, and you know ice cream boxes are mostly kept in the fridge, so that is why it's very important to take out the air and also the water from the cardboard pieces, and it actually helps me to cut the cardboard pieces properly using scissors or cutter. So here you go. ये लो भाई एकदम fresh and clean सूखना cardboard piece. Yep, you might be thinking why I'm using so many L-Drago templates, so you will gonna see that later. Just keep watching the video. लग जाओ भाई अच्छी तरह से. ये ले साला.
कीजिएगा, ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा सर, आप गलत कर रहे हैं सर.
माफ करना गाइस, मैं किसी भी L-Drago को थप्पड़ नहीं मारना चाहता यार. जस्ट मैंने आई मीन अच्छी तरह से लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ यार, ग्लू से लगा.
ठीक है समझ गया.
भाई look at that, कितना स्मूथ कट है यार, looking so smooth. Just look at that. That is why guys it's very important to use a sharper cutter. ये कार्डबोर्ड पीस को कटर से काटने में मेरे को समटाइम्स बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेशन फील होता है यार. मतलब बहुत ही टाइम लगता है यार ये कटर से काटने में, जितना यार मेरे को सीजर से काटने में लगता है. सीजर्स यूज़ करके काटने में उतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता, लेकिन भाई कटर यूज़ करने में यार बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता है यार, क्योंकि बहुत ही ध्यान से करना पड़ता है. क्योंकि अगर थोड़ा सा इधर उधर कर दूंगा, 19-20 कर दूंगा, तो भाई खत्म. अंदर का भाई हिस्सा मैंने काट दिया है, जहाँ पर गैस हमारा Beyblade का लॉन्चर लगेगा. अब चलो यार बाकी का हिस्सा भी काट लेते हैं. This is also cut the other cardboard templates. Okay, launcher hooks are done. And here's the fresh Dragon Emperor's Beyblade L-Drago fistful. Look at that. क्षमा की कुछ अलग है यार. L-Drago मतलब कुछ और ही फीलिंग्स आता है यार अंदर में. And here we go, the Barrage mode part. Yep, looking a little bit weird with this type of look, but still as you know guys, at the end something is going to be different. चलो भाई जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो यही भाई हमको चाहिए, तो हम ये सिंपली भाई इसके ऊपर स्टिक कर देंगे कुछ इस टाइप से. यहाँ पर तुम वीडियो के अंदर देख सकते हो. So we are going to stick it like this way guys, as you can see, something like that. So let me just quickly show you that after sticking. चलो भाई अच्छी तरह से लग जाओ. Make sure guys you stick it at the center. It's very important. Other अब L-Drago के अंदर थोड़ा सा छेद कर लेते हैं, जहाँ पर हमारा बीट घुसेगा L-Drago का फ्लैट बीट. You just quickly create a hole inside L-Drago where I will put the bit of L-Drago flat bit, you know. और ये लो छेद हो गया, देख सकते हो. Not bad. Here's the Barrage and here's the upper mode, but still while using the upper mode I can also clearly see the Barrage mode as well. I think it's because of the size I guess. यहाँ का भाई मेटल पार्ट काटा नहीं चाहिए था. हाँ इसको भी यूज़ कर सकता हूँ, तो ओके इसका कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. साला पूरा एक कार्डबोर्ड पीस खत्म हो गया.
लेकिन नहीं.
This is what it is, okay?
Alright guys, so this time guys I have cut मैंने मतलब anyway भाई देख ही सकते हो यहाँ पर. तो इस बार मैंने कुछ इस टाइप से काटा है भाई L-Drago को. आप देखने में थोड़ा सा weird सा लग रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी काफ़ी हद तक ठीक ठाक है. आपका इसका इफेक्ट ये सही होगा. Now it's looking much better. As you can see, Barrage mode, Assault mode. Yo.
ठीक है.
Alright guys, so template parts are fully done. Here's the face build of Lighting L-Drago, here's the energy ring part of Lighting L-Drago, and here's the mode changing part of Lighting L-Drago, which is going to be very special, and it's going to be very amazing at the end. So just keep watching the video, because today, as I've mentioned before, I will create Lighting L-Drago with 2 modes in one Beyblade of Lighting L-Drago. Anyway, now let's just quickly make some copies of these templates using cardboards. Ooh, nikal bhai. Alright. And here we go everyone, here's the other template. So we just need 2 copies for the energy ring part, and again Rasogolla. And here we go, the templates are done. So total 3 with the layer blade template, total 4 mode changing template, I mean the fusion wheel, and here's the layer blade template. Almost you can say energy ring, 2 copies. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cardboard templates. Now also let's just quickly make some circles for the height 60, because it actually comes with 160 ratchet and the height is actually 60, so that is why you have to create some circles. ओके भाई ज़्यादा हो गया ये नूब. Alright guys, now let's just quickly add some makeup. थोड़ा सा यार आटा मैदा मार के थोड़ा सा मेकअप कर देते हैं. I mean आटा मैदा नहीं भाई, ये फेविकोल ग्लू. ठीक है. Alright, मेकअप तो हो गया भाई. अब चलो यार जल्दी से मेकअप को सूखने देते हैं. मेकअप तो नहीं भाई, ग्लू एक्चुअली. अच्छा. Let's just quickly keep it to dry, but not here guys. We are going to dry up somewhere else. Let me अरे भाई हाथ में आ जा यार. इधर आ जाओ भाई L-Drago. तो ये यहाँ पर होगा, ये यहाँ पर होगा, और तू यहाँ पर रह जा. छोटा सा ही पार्ट है भाई. अरे यार हाथ में चिपक माई. अरे भाई, अरे दिमाग खराब कर. Noob. I don't know guys why this tablet keep getting stuck with my finger, bro. Anyway, and here's our hot iron. So now let's just quickly wait for 10 minutes and then we will again come to see the template. चलो भाई ज़्यादा इंग्लिश मार ली मैंने. अब जल्दी से यार टेम्पलेट्स को काट लेते हैं. चलो यार थोड़ा सा जूम इन करके दिखा देता हूँ, ताकि तुम सबको मेरे हाथ के साथ काम भी अच्छी तरह से दिख सके. सॉरी फॉर इंटरफेयरिंग गाइस, बट फ़ोन का चार्ज लगभग खत्म हो गया है भाई. 4% चार्ज है यार फ़ोन के अंदर. तू तो गया बेटे. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड दैट 100 स्पिन ट्रैक लुक ऑन L-Drago यूजिंग माई स्केल. टूटा फूटा वाला. मैं गरीब हूँ यार, मैं गरीब हूँ. स्केल खरीदने का भी पैसा नहीं है मेरे पास. वीडियो एकदम बहुत ही घटिया हुआ है. हाँ, स्पिन ट्रैक 103 पड़ गया. And here you go, looking much better. Now let's just quickly give a good look on our Lighting L-Drago templates. And here we go, here we have all the templates with colorfulness and also with shininess. Not that much shiny, but still looking much more colorful than before. Alright, so let's just take it off. And now it's time to create our Lighting L-Drago Beyblade with Barrage and Upper mode. Let's get started. I am noob. Gaya! Fusion wheel part. First you'll have to create the bed, then also you have to do the shaping, blah blah blah. Anyway, I will try my best to create this video today as fast as possible. Guys, let me just show you something. You can clearly see guys, the condition of the sky is not looking good. It can rain at any time, so I'm a little bit worried about that, but still I will continue the crafting no matter what. Yeah, we not bad. अबे हाथ में, अरे नहीं हाथ पे मत चिपक भाई. For the flat bit we need a pen like this one, or you can say sketch pen. We just need the cap of it. This will be the part which we will use to create the flat bit. To show you the mode. So now the mode that you are seeing right now, it's actually the Barrage mode, which is mostly used for defense and also attack as well. And here's the upper mode. As you can see guys, I can clearly change the mode easily in one Beyblade. Wow guys, Barrage mode and upper mode. You just have to twist the ratchet like this way.
Marrow.
Pushing it bottom. It's very simple. You just have to push it downwards like this way, but don't push it too much, otherwise it will tear off, because this part is very thin, so we have to be careful about this. Let me just apply some super glue. ये हुई ना बात ओ भाई, that was some. And here we go, L-Drago. Come on, L-Drago, show your power. Looks like L-Drago is actually trying to do spin still from black shell. Let's see what happens. And wow, won this. Now Barrage mode, as you can see. Let's. Oh bhai. ये क्या था भाई? Here we go. ये हो लास्ट वाला होगा. Here we go, Pegasus versus L-Drago. I don't know guys why these Beys are losing its stamina very quickly, but yeah, at the end L-Drago won this one.
So just do it!